Do you know the vowel U has two sounds? One is short sound A and the second is long sound U. Let us discuss with some examples. B A D bird. K A P cup. K A T cut. R A B rub. M A G mug. Now we'll discuss long vowel sound, that is U. B L bl U blue. D U dew. Cl U clue. F U L fuel. R S rescue. Rescue.